2014 Chevy Camaro V6. This gentleman drove all the way from Mississippi to us off our YouTube channel. So we had to do him a really nice job and we really appreciate it. He's got factory converters there and there. Then we put a X pipe instead of the H pipe and eliminated the resonators there. And then we did a muffler delete on each side and reused his tips. That one and that one. There's a muffler delete. Those are the two mufflers. And those are the resonators there. And the H pipe. X pipe sounds a lot better on these. V6 Camaro. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. I think it's gonna sound phenomenal. Tell us what you guys think. Smash that like button. That's right. Sound decibels?
It peaked at 117, man.
That's awesome. Go ahead and back it up. You like it?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Make sure you tag us in your videos, okay? The channel at least.
Yeah.
2014 Camaro, all the way from Mississippi, baby. We appreciate his business.